Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer money from India to Australia through SBI. This is easy. The first step we need to do is open our SBI app, and then once we open this app, we're gonna select the foreign outward remittance. We're gonna select this option right here, and then we're gonna proceed. Once we have selected the account, we're gonna click proceed, and then we're gonna add all the information about the beneficiary country. Okay, right here we're gonna add all the information, including his mobile number. Right here we're gonna click proceed, and then we're gonna add all other information about the account number, the big code, and other information that is important, like the amount to send. Right here we're gonna click proceed, and here you will read the summary. You need to be sure that is that all this information is correct, and then you're going to proceed, and then you're going to click accept and proceed to send the money. It's really easy. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.